guys, welcome to my channel, SULLIVAN-MILLER. Just me. I hope everybody is in good health and no problems. Don't worry about the problems, it's already there. It will make you grow. Anyways, mentally and emotionally. Anyways, today I'm going to open my order from Amazon. I'm gonna open it with you and I'm so excited because I'm gonna use it for my work. So let's start opening it, guys. Okay, let's start opening it and don't worry about my attire because I'm going to do my exercise. Before I do exercise, I decided to open it. I like it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna make it fine with this. Open. This is very useful because I lost my thing. I want to mention it to you, and I really need it because it's very useful at work. Okay, the one that I lost, I got that one that was free. I got that one from my Victoria's Secret shopping. That was free. Yeah, I like the flower. Ta-da! And then another one. Ouch! Coming from these same boxes, but different company. That's why this one is different. Ta-da! I like the flower. Oh, this is so nice design. I think I like it. Let's open this one first. Here, guys. just an apron. I will model it with you for you. See? I like the flower and the ruffles. And this is what why I use it at work because of the way. I can use it in the kitchen too, but I really need it at work. So, why I need it? For my radio. Hello, anybody copy? Can you check this 1002? That's what I'm doing. My radio here. And also my hand sanitizer. My radio hand sanitizer. And my gloves. So that's why I need apron for work. Oh, it's just my shorts. I love it. Now this is my apron. So also guys, apron will help hiding my belly. Because I have a very big belly. So it helps to cover it. Oh, I love the design. Don't you? I love it. I'm just a model material. But I really love my apron. So let's try the other one. This one I really love. The color and the ruffles. I love ruffles. I'm just a girl who loves ruffles. Now let's try the other color. The other apron. I ordered two. Wow. Also this. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the colors. The flowers. Can you tell I'm a girl? There's a pocket here. Another pocket, and there's a zipper pocket. So let's try. I really love this. And like that. Thanks, Amazon, and also the one who make this one. my hand sanitizer here, my radio, and my gloves. And there's another pocket behind this zipper one. There's another pocket right here. I can put my cell phone. I love it very much. I think I won't return it, huh? You know, guys, why we need it at work? Because we have lots of residents to take good care of, but you cannot. It's when you wash after one resident helping, you cannot just wash hands all the time, and it's gonna dry your hands. But anyway, you can wash it when, like, you know, you're really obviously if you want to wash your hands, you can wash your hands before touching the other clients, you know. Or you can wear gloves, and then after wearing gloves, you have to put hand sanitizer. That's how it works. Protect you, or not only protecting yourself, but also most especially you have to protect your clients. So here, my hand sanitizer. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we also have lists to see, to look who are your clients, and also to make sure check your list that you really have to keep somebody wasn't leave out. That to make it sure that you check all the listed clients, that you take good care of these and that. That's important. So I can put my list here. My cell phone may be in that zipper one, and my radio and my gloves will be just here together. Oh, wow, my goodness, there's another pocket in here behind. So there's a small pocket, and behind the small pocket there's another pocket. Oh, I wish I ordered everything like this, but anyway, I love this one too because there's the color and the ruffles, you know. And there's a same with this side. There's a pocket and there's another big pocket. There's also small pocket, and behind the small pocket is the big pocket. And then the zipper one, there's a zipper pocket, and behind the zipper, the pocket with zipper, there's a big pocket also. So totally it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. I love it. I love it very much. Yeah, it's so crazy. So let's try again the other one. Maybe I got more pockets in there. I don't want to. And like what I said, what I said, aprons can hide your belly because your belly is sticking because too much eating rice and breads and cakes and anything that has lots of sugar can make your belly biggie. Because if you don't work out, your sugar will be stored in your body and it becomes fatty particles maybe. I don't know. But anything that's sugar that's stored in your body will become fat. So, we don't need to be skinny too. When you need fats to warm us, then it's winter time. Okay, so I love the ruffles and the pictures. This is a flower, and look at the flowers over here and the ruffle all around. It's very, very girly, and which is very perfect because I'm a girly. But it only has 2 pockets. 1, 2. So I just probably just use this one at home. But or maybe I also still use it at work because I cannot work. I cannot wear this one only. It's gonna be worn out very quick. So